Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is April the 14th, 2021. We're here to give you all the price prediction for Litecoin. You guys can already tell we did a price prediction last time and the market didn't go the way we expected it to go. It goes that way, and we're going to use this as a teachable moment for all of us so that we can understand why the market didn't go the way we expected it and how we can minimize those losses going forward on our next price prediction that we do. All right, so if today's your first time ever viewing our content, y'all appreciate the videos that we are creating of how we're giving y'all the heads up as to where price is going to go, make sure you hit that like button, share the video, and also subscribe. Make sure you continue to come back to our channel because we're going to give you all the heads up as to where the price is going to go so that you can predict, win, and profit. This is what we do. We're here to give that competitive advantage to anyone who is interested so that you can win more than anyone else in this space. So now let's do this teachable moment real quick. All right, so we did our price prediction in Litecoin right there on March the 26th. That was the last time we did our video, and we played the weakness in the market at that particular time. Ever since then, the market in Litecoin did not even drop in price. The trap took the value of Litecoin higher rather than diminishing the value. And immediately, right when we did our price prediction, we should have known that something wasn't going on into the market in Litecoin to substantiate the weakness that we talked about on the 26th of March. Okay, so one thing I wanted to show you is that we pinpointed that the market in Litecoin was in a downtrend, right? We saw that. And that was still confirmed right here on this day. Okay. You guys can see that the weakness was still confirmed right here in Litecoin on April the 3rd. So even though the market in Litecoin extended well past our restriction area, we would have still kept the play going because we had this downtrend line that was keeping the price suppressed, right? So we would have kept on the play right there. But the next day, for some reason, you all can tell that the market didn't completely fall. Instead, we closed higher than the close on April the 3rd. And then the next day, right here on April the 5th, the market broke the trend. So this would have been the day that we would have gotten out our position, realizing that our overall forecast into the market in Litecoin of falling in price was not going to happen. It was confirmed right there on April the 5th. So if we would have gotten out on that particular day on the close, we'd be down 25.25%. If we were to get out right now, we'll be down 53%, 53.25%. See, these are times to where you can understand and read the market of when you can minimize those losses in this space. Would you rather have 53.25%, or would you rather have 25.25%? All right, so yeah, it didn't go right. Our prediction in the market for Litecoin at that particular time was not correct, but you live, you learn, and that was a teachable moment for all of us. So the next time that we see that occur, we can be on guard and be aware as to what the market in Litecoin is actually going to do. Okay, so now I got two lines on this price chart in Litecoin. Neither one of them are playing any active role into the market in Litecoin because the market in Litecoin is trading up here around $270. So there's no need for us to keep these lines where they're at. There's no need. So let's take one of them away. Then I'm gonna take this other line, and I want to show you how the market trend in Litecoin is still there. And generally, every cryptocurrency in the market to date is giving us the same type of price action. Okay. And a lot of them are even breaking away from the overall trend. You guys can even see here in Litecoin that the market is just continuing to obey this ascending line. So we could still see a drop into the market in Litecoin, but the market will still go higher in price. Okay, so yeah, we are trading well away from the overall trend, no doubt about it. So let's see how far away we are into the market in Litecoin from the trend. It's about 28-30% drop into the market right there. And the only question that we really need to talk about or try to answer on this video is, would you come in today and purchase Litecoin at $270? When you know that the overall trend into the market in Litecoin can bring the price all the way back down here towards $200, $205. You want to try to get the best price in the market for these cryptocurrencies because you gain your profit on your initial purchase of these products. So the cheaper you buy these products, the greater your chances are of grabbing profits. Looking at the price chart, we all need to understand that the consensus of the market is built on these charts. So anyone who is interested in Litecoin has placed their thoughts, their consensus as to what they think the price in Litecoin is going to do. And currently, the market is in agreement that the market is very strong and the demand is obviously here in Litecoin. So much so that it made all-time highs. Well, no, it didn't. All-time highs in the market in Litecoin is all the way back here around $370. But we're close. I mean, we haven't seen the market in Litecoin trade in this area of $275 ever since 2018. It's been 3 years. 3 whole years, the market in Litecoin has not seen prices at $270. So now, at what point would you expect us to see more selling? Because it has already been established historically back here on the price chart, right? We can see 280, even up here towards $300 as the market area of restriction in Litecoin. Okay. So yeah, definitely I can see $285 to $295 as the next area of restriction into the market in Litecoin. But you know what? Given the overall trend in this cryptocurrency, even though we may even see the market in Litecoin drop in price, it's not going to be substantial because the overall trend is still intact into the market in Litecoin. Okay. So even by us trading this high in price, I would not even expect the market to go higher until I see the next leg down to see how severe that movement to the downside is. Because you got to expect that. You know the market is going to drop. You understand that the market is going to drop in price. And at what point would you see that? Because I'm seeing 2 areas right here. This is the first area of support that I'm seeing. And this one is the second one. Okay, which is around $245. Right? That is the biggest area right there that we can see the market in Litecoin drop in price, and will still reclaim the ability to go higher in price at a later date. So we got 260, 240, and 230. Those will be the areas that I'm eyeing to see the next leg down into the market for Litecoin. Okay. So looking at this on a 5-day chart, guys, everything into the market is giving us strength as of this moment. And when everything tilts to one side of the boat, you definitely need to become a little bit more keen into seeing that the market weakness will soon appear, just to bring back the balance on the ship. Okay. So for what we're going to do in this video, we're going to play the weakness in the market in Litecoin again, expecting us just to see some weakness. We told you that 260 will be the first area that we will come in and TP out the market. The next area will be 240. Well, right here around 245 will be the next area that we will come into the market in Litecoin and TP. Now, I'm telling you that I'm not looking for this market to stay weak forever, okay? Because looking at this in the long term, the strength is still here into the market. I'm just playing this on a very short time frame, i.e. The next 5 days to a week time frame to see this weakness play out. But generally, looking at this on a 3 weeks time frame, the market is still strong in Litecoin. Even here on the monthly time frame, the market is still giving us strength. So on this next bout of weakness, we just need to determine how low the market is going to go. Okay. And that is it. So we're going to play the weakness into the market in Litecoin. First area to take profit for us would be around $260. The next one would be $245. Okay. Now, again, this is what we're seeing. Now it's your turn. I want to give you all the opportunity to call the markets right alongside with us. Tell me if you see anything different. I mean, we're open to your price prediction as to where you see Litecoin going in the next week. Okay, because I'm giving you all our price prediction at least for the next week, because from 3 weeks and onward, 3 weeks monthly time frame, the strength is still being seen on those price charts. So yeah, we can still see the market in Litecoin go higher in the long term. We're just playing this on a 5-day weekly time frame, give or take. So I want you to drop me your comment as to where you think the market in Litecoin is headed, and let's not be confused. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.